day my people, I don't bring another update come for una again. Like what I talk for my last video, I say I go show una how to edit pictures and videos. But for now, I want to show una this website when they use they edit pictures. So for my screen you will see say these pictures there, and I go to show una today how you fit edit this kind beautiful fine pictures. So I know say if you the one that say how, mind you, these pictures when I show you, so it is very easy to create. You can create it with artificial intelligence AI, very easy to do. So today I go to show una how una go take create am. Before I proceed, I go like make una like and follow, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more encouragement, please. I would love you to like and subscribe, also share my videos so you can reach out to other people as well. Thank you so much, and let's proceed. My people, I come do am for phone. My system they give me network issue, so make we try do am for phone. Besides, the reason I say do am for phone be say most people they think say things wey they do for system they don't dey fit dey do am for phone. No, they dey fit. This one now, if you see my phone screen, and this one now, even wetin I don edit with the Ideogram AI. So now so see the pictures, different lovely pictures, all done from that Ideogram. So you come your Google, you go type ideogram.ai. Ideogram.ai. See the first link. So na be the AI website. So now so it dey be for phone, as you see am, so now so it dey be. Not let anybody tell you say not be so this and that. Now so it dey be for phone, even for system. Now so it dey be. For me, I go log in with my Google account. I go log in with my Google account. So I don log in, and so it dey be. If you log in, na so it dey be. You dey see am. I hope you dey see am. So if you log in, na so it dey be. If you sign up with them, na so it dey be. So make it load, make you see am. This place, this see the website, and for you to just, you go scroll down, anything you like, you go click on them. I go still show you how you go take edit them. Show you dey see am. So anything to create not hard. To create not hard. First of all, I go show you how to create, then I go show you how to edit the one way you dey see for the website already. If you want create for phone, go show you this plus sign for down. I hope say you dey see am. This plus sign for down, and you click the plus sign to create on your own. Wetin this Ideogram, make I help tell una wetin this Ideogram dey really do. This AI app, it dey help bring your ideas to life in pictures. Just tell the AI wetin you want, then e go bring and come out for you in pictures. Now for you to choose exactly what you want. So see how it dey be now. If you click that plus sign, it go show you describe what you want to see. Shey you dey see am. So I go say show me a guy, show me a handsome guy sitting under a large tree with a water bottle with him. Then as you click am, so you know wetin this thing be. You go surprise photo, this that. Why all this thing come there? Photo, poster, 3D render. typography, cinema, painting. You go surprise all those things there, but e dey very important actually. The thing be say e wan make you talk how you wan make the picture be. Though they dey see different kind of picture, they dey see anime kind of picture, they dey see colorless kind of picture, different things. So you make I click on see all, then you go see and dey see fashion, illustration, and anime, architecture, different types. So make I say the kind of things wey you want make the picture be, the kind of how you want make it be for reality matter. So you go just say photo, I want make it be photo. I want make it dey like 3D too. Yes. You go click on wetin you want, 3D photo. Then you go click on make I save anime. Yes, I love anime for me. Then if you still want more for you, if you want more, you go click wetin you want. But for me na just wetin I want be this. Then I'll click on generate. Make we wait, the thing go generate wetin you want. Go generate wetin you want. Just wait a minute. You say waiting, you go see for this top here, waiting to start. After some time, it go count down. It go count from 0 to 100. Yes, it's already count now. Generation progress from 0 to 100. Then once it complete 100, it will show you what it produce for you. So after this process, I will show you how you go fit take edit these ones where people already do before. So very easy. Shey you dey see am. Shey you dey see am. If you observe, na wetin I write for there e show. Anime na be this. Na wetin I write for here e show. Anime kind, I love anime so much. Wetin I want e show. Supposing say I no click on anime, e no go produce anime on for me. Shey you dey see am so. If you click am, you dey see very very sweet photos. Very very sweet photos. So if you want download am, you fit come here, click on this three dot for down, then click on download. If you want share am to your friend, if you click on share, click on download. Na your choice, you dey get. So like the pictures as you like. You just like the pictures. For me, I dey like my pictures. Very important. Abeg, as you dey watch this video, don't forget to like. If you never like, don't forget to subscribe as well. I dey beg you, very important to me. Very important to me. Thank you. So let's go over to editing those pictures you see there that have already been there. Let's go back to those editing those pictures that have already been there. So this one, if you mind you, before we go over to that, before if you see this one, so remix, if you see change and say no, I don't want maybe like that. I want make it be like make cinema day. I don't want maybe anime. You remove anime, poster, fashion, yes. Then click on generate. You see and go see give you another thing. Just wait. You will still give you another thing. You will see am. And so as you dey wait, don't forget to like and subscribe, share the video so that other people go still see am. I go leave link for the description when we say you fit reach this website to those wey no fit find am for their phone or anyhow you see am. I go leave link for you for the description so that you go fit reach out. Abeg, I go still leave link to my other social media handles like my WhatsApp channel and Facebook page, my WhatsApp and my Instagram account as well. Please do well to follow and like my videos. Thank you. Liking my videos and subscribing to my channel will make me feel encouraged. Will make me feel encouraged. So thank you so much. See, and I don dey generate finish. See generation progress 99. Just wait a minute. Now network dey really make am dey slow. So just wait small. E go open. Meanwhile, make we dey see the one wey others don fit do. Shey you dey see am? beautiful. Shey you dey see am, I go show una how to edit. Na somebody talk this thing, show me a lizard or this and that, you dey get. Shey you see the lizard now be like human. So just leave am there. Why this one not show? Why you go show the curve? And network dey really cause this thing to be like this. Oh, network. Shey you don see am? This one not too dey animated. Shey you dey see am? E not too dey like anime. Oh, I just dey see now say I mistake for this thing wey I write. I suppose write show me a handsome guy sitting under large tree. Now I wan write. I mistake. Show me a handsome guy sitting under large tree with a water bottle with him. So nevertheless, if you still write tree, e go still show you somebody wey dey under tree. You dey get. So now make I go over to that one wey I tell una say to edit the one wey person don already do. So na him be this now. Shey you dey see am? If you wan edit wetin person don already do now, e dey very easy. Like this one, yes, you fit use this one as brand. Ekeson Motors. Na person use am as name, brand name. So shey you dey see am? Different one. So I go show you how you fit take edit am. Like this one now, you go come on remix. Very easy to edit. Remix. This place when you see say the name dey, so this place when you see say the name dey, so suffer just come here, clean the name, click on miracle, click on wetin you want. For me, I wan put miracle guy channel, miracle guy WhatsApp channel. Yes, you dey see am. So now click on generate. If you want, before you click on generate, if you want make e dey as far anime anything, you go just still put am for there. You click on see, or you see different one, you go just still put am for there. Then you click on generate. Click on generate. You go see say make we wait. You go see show. Now the same thing with all these ones as well. This Javia, if you want still edit the bottle photo and the bottle name, the name wey dey the bottle, na so e go still be. Yes, shey you dey see am? So shey you dey see am? So e go show me miracle guy WhatsApp channel. Shey you dey see am? So very beautiful. Na so if you wan come download am, you go click on download. You go click on download. E go download. You click on download. Click the next one. Click on download. E go download. Click the next one again. Click on download. Anyone, if na all you wan download, you download all. If not be all, you still leave am. Download. Na so e be. Na so e be. Very easy. If you wan click remix, I fit still put am miracle guy WhatsApp group. Miracle guy WhatsApp group. Shey you dey see am, make e load finish, e go clear well. Shey una dey see am now, Miracle Guy WhatsApp group. If na the one wey you want me to add number, you fit still add number for there. Automatically, if e generate, e go still put your number join. Shey you dey see am, so Miracle Guy, very simple, to do, very simple to do. You dey see, so very simple to do. So na so dey take dey edit. And mind you, some dey wey e no still be like this. I wan go show you, so wait, never go. Some dey wey e no be when e still this normal name changing and all that. So wait, make I show you. Yes, wait, make I show you. Something like make I say something like this tree now, when name no dey, when be say you no wan change name, but you wan just like change the color and anything, when dey just still come on remix. This place, blooming white, pink, golden sukara tree of life in gold with sprinklers in tree. With sprinkles in tree. Shey you dey see am inside the glowing circle. Na person just still write the idea, then bring am come out for am. So you fit come put red for here, red. Then me, I no wan change anything, but I just dey use am dey show example to you. If you click on red, fit put am make e dey cinematic, then go generate, make you see am. Go generate, just wait and see. Shey una see am, my people? Shey una see am as e dey shine everything? Shey you see how beautiful it is? So na so dey dey do am. And if you don edit, maybe you wan go find wetin you don edit before and all that, just come on this your profile here. After this plus sign, you click on this next place, which is you. Like me now, me get 3 followers already. So lucky, I don get 3 followers already, and I'm very grateful to those people for following me. Now you see all the ones wey I don do so far. Now be this, all the ones wey I don do so far. This one now, wey e dey show UK and Nigeria flag for this boy's back, na me do am by myself. I just think of it, now I do am. So you can think of anything you want, click on it, then it will automatically generate it for you. Very easy to use. So guys, please don't forget to follow me here, follow me on my channels, most especially please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Please guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also make sure to like as well. I'll be very grateful. Thank you. Please subscribe.
Brother,
Thank you.
many